Hello, welcome to this Blackboard Ultra quick tip video. This is to get useful information across to you as quickly as we possibly can. So without further ado, I'm going to be looking in this video at a really useful function, and it is the course link function. Do you ever get frustrated with your Blackboard course where students perhaps have to dive a little deeper than you would like to find important information? One example of that is anything to do with assignments, because we know that it lives down here at the bottom of the Blackboard course, and once we've kind of populated our learning modules, that can end up quite a long scroll down the page. If I'm a student and I want to find my assignment brief, I've got to currently scroll past all of the learning modules. I've got to open the assignment brief area. I've got to open the folder for the specific assignment and find the assignment brief. It may be that in a particular week you want to direct them to that assignment brief. So let's say in week 2 of my module, I actually want to send direct signpost my students to the assignment brief because we've started to talk about the assignments during that week's teaching. If I open up the weekly module folder, any point in here, I can add a course link. So let's say that after the summary, I'm going to want to direct my students to the assignment brief. I can come in here and I can click create as I normally would. And you may be aware that you can add links, and you may be used to using the link tool to just add hyperlinks to websites, etc. But there's a secondary function of this tool. I can also add what's called a course link. So I'll flip over to course link, and this allows me to search content that already exists in my Blackboard course and add a link to it. So let's type in here, assignments, and we will search, and you will find that the assignment brief comes up in that search. I can click here. I can display the assignment, a link to my assignment brief, and I can add a description in here, and we can save that link. Now, what I have here existing in my weekly learning module is I now have a link directly to the assignment brief. We know it's a link because we have a little link icon above the document sign, and if I click on that now, I will be taken directly to the assignment brief without having to scroll down to the bottom of my course. So I can direct people directly to documents, links, integrations, any type of content within my Blackboard course using course links. The assignment brief is a really useful one to use this for, so too is the reading list. Course links for signposting, really useful function within Blackboard Ultra.